Yeah, yeah. Your Mitchell. Yeah. Your Mitchell.
$8,000 profit. All right, guys. So we're today in the Rolls Royce. This is not my car. This is something that Seamus is actually thinking of buying. Seamus is our new CEO for our companies. He's going to be very, very important in scaling us and helping us get to that next level. And he's actually thinking of getting this car with a driver. So he doesn't drive because he's a bitch, but so he will have a driver.
No, I need the driver so then I can get the work done.
Yeah.
You lose time when you're driving, right? You can lose 30 minutes to an hour,
It's
and that
true.
30 minutes or an hour can make a massive difference when you're running a company. So.
But anyways, we're heading now to the Porsche Cafe. The Rolls is it's beautiful interior, absolutely stunning car. I like fast cars. What the fuck? But I really appreciate this kind of car also.
Yeah.
For me, I'm a Lamborghini boy through and through. I do want another Lambo at some point in the near future. But this is very, very nice. Like, it feels like really, really steady and like you're floating on a cloud, and it's super comfortable. Even sitting in the back seats, front seat, whatever. The comfort of this car is really unmatched and really sick.
It's state of the art, I think. It goes hand in hand. It's the pinnacle of luxury. Whenever you talk about luxury, Rolls-Royce, the number one. And it's an amazing thing. And if you want to talk about motivation, just sitting in this car gets you motivated, gets you ready to go. It makes you want to do even better. So it's a great experience, and we can't wait to be able to drive this around even further.
Yeah, so we're going to go to the Porsche Cafe. We're going to do a bit of work there. Again, we are going to move into our office very shortly. We're hoping by 8 days. That's what they tell us anyway. It could be plus or minus a few days. You know, it is what it is. For now, we'll just work at cafes and stuff. Porsche Cafe is beautiful. We got all the Porsches literally inside. It's a really good business place. Again, anywhere that's kind of like inspiring to be around. It makes you do good work. I'll do some trading from there as well. So I might even take a live trade and show you guys how that goes. That'll be pretty cool. But yeah, guys, looking forward to it. Porsche Cafe now. Seamus has a background of wealth management, managing $40 million under his own management, and now he's actually left that to come and help me and my companies to come on as our CEO and help us get to, I mean, we're already an 8-figure company, but obviously 9 figures, and you never know what's going to happen. Maybe even, you know, $1 billion company with everything that we do have planned in the future as well.
100%.
So yeah, it's like, it's all about building the right people around you, the right team, people that will go to war for you, people that, you know, are going to look after you and make sure that, you know, the businesses are growing, the businesses are scaling, everything's moving as we want to see it. So I thought there's no better person to bring on than Seamus, obviously with his background. And they say hire people smarter than you. He's smarter than me. So that's why. So for sure. No, you are. So, you know, he's already sold a watchwinder's business. How old were you when you sold that?
Yeah, so I was 21 years old, or just turned 21. It was called Seafra Watch. Some of you might be familiar with it. So we were selling watchwinders. Obviously, when you have a nice watch such as these, it's good to store them in good condition in winders to keep them from getting depleted, but also to be used as a safe. And I was selling to clients all across the world. My most famous client was actually Neil from Timepiece Trading, and then eventually I scaled it up to a level where I sold the business off to a watch dealer that's actually based in Texas, and then moved on, went into cybersecurity business development. I was actually selling to cybersecurity integration and telecommunications integration to businesses. Did that for a year, and at the same time was actually working on trading, learning to trade myself. Trading, I'd already been trading stocks since I was 18, but getting into the Forex side of things, really experiencing the technical analysis side, understanding the charting, and then coinciding that with fundamentals as well. And I really learned a lot from that, and that's when I actually met AJ. That was before AJ actually started FundedX. He was still living in Gold Coast. He was doing all the trading content. I came across him on Insta. We were both sort of getting up to that level in trading. I said, you know what, I'm going to send this guy a message. I love his stuff. I'm always looking to connect with people, Sent him a message, and then ever since then we just never looked back. Remained really good friends. Actually started off as the first ever affiliate for Funded X.
That's right.
Yeah, it was a great experience. I've seen the company go from literally 0 to 8 figures. After cybersecurity, I then got approached as I was doing my trading and passing prop firm challenges by basically an investment bank, hedge fund, that had a private wealth management division to it. They reached out to me, they said, look, we can see that you've got the trading skills, we can see that you've got the sales skills, come in for an interview, we want to talk to you. Came into the interview, got through, passed through, then started off as a funds acquisition specialist. So essentially what that means is you have to bring in funds to the company. So I was dealing with ultra high net worth individuals. These are people that have hundreds of millions of dollars to their name, and basically selling them on giving them money to our firm. So if I went to AJ, let's say he had 20 million, I would try and sell him to give us maybe 5, 10 million into our firm so that we can manage it for him and we can give him a return on his investment. Did that for about a year, and then I hit my targets really well, brought in many million, I think it was, like, to be exact, I think I brought in about 20, 30 million dollars worth of capital into the company. And then from then on, I got promoted to being an advisor, which basically means I manage my own book. So yeah, and then did that for about 4 months, managing my own book. And then yeah, AJ came across, couldn't say no, went across, life is good, here we are. Funded X is exploding. As we're speaking to you right now, we've just launched a 50% off sale. It's going crazy. Everyone's going ham, and this is just the beginning. You wait, we're gonna be the #1 in the industry.
Yeah, at the moment we have 2 core companies, which is the education side and obviously our prop firm Funded X. We do have some other projects on the way. I won't get into too much detail. There's about 3 or 4 projects that we're working on at the moment that we will launch in the next few months. Some public, some more like a bit more private, using affiliates and stuff like that. So we're super excited to continue to grow, to continue to build, but we're always remembering where we came from. Like, we're traders at heart. We understand the industry, we understand the markets to a degree that, hey, like even now, I'm sitting here at a Porsche cafe, I'm looking at the clock because I'm saying what time is trading, because I want to try and get on the charts, place a trade. Doesn't matter what I'm doing, like I will set that time aside to make sure that I'm active and make sure that I'm trading. That's me. And all of this other stuff, just a bonus, because I've been able to be a trader first and then build all this shit around it, and it's kind of cool. But for the people want to know, like, wealth management. We see the Wolf of Wall Street, we see all these shows like Billions and Succession, and how real is kind of the Wall Street depiction when you see it, like, for example, Wolf of Wall Street?
Look, it's a great question, and you know, it's actually, I guess you could say, frowned upon in the industry to kind of expose what really goes on. You won't find many videos online of people saying what really goes on, but let me tell you, I would say in some instances it's even worse than Wolf of Wall Street.
And talk to us about the culture, the company culture.
The culture is literally like, if you don't hit your numbers, you're gone. So when I was working for about 1.5 years, I probably saw 25 people get fired. Everyone that I joined with either resigned or got fired because of how cutthroat it is. I mean, we had some people staying up all night in the office just to get their numbers in, because essentially what you'd have a scoreboard get sent out every morning, company-wide, of everyone's numbers, brokerage, funds acquisition, sales, everything, trading performance. If you're at the bottom of that list, you know, shit, next month I could be fired. Like, you have to work your ass off non-stop to make it in that industry, and it really does absolutely burn you to the core.
And while there are some positives, of course, in that strict conditions, strict go hard, we bring some of that across to our businesses as well. We expect everyone to work super hard because they're getting paid, really nice money, and we can see the growth, and at the end of the day, everyone's going to be benefited super well as we grow, as we have more companies. Everyone's just going to step up. But at the same time, we like to incentivize, our team as well. Right now, we actually have a offer on the table, which is a Mykonos holiday, sometime in July, in Europe summer, and we have to hit a certain target. So if we hit this certain target, which is a considerable large revenue target, if we hit this by sort of June, then I'll book that villa for the team. But if we don't hit the target, we don't go. But that's the sort of incentive that we're providing. Like, hey guys, like you have an opportunity here to go on a trip of a lifetime, all expenses paid. I'm not making you pay for accommodation. I'm paying for your flights there. Just fucking, let's get it, guys. Let's work hard and let's hit this target, number one. But then two, let's go enjoy ourselves in Mykonos. Let's, you know, obviously we'll do some work there. We have to keep the businesses running, but let's go have some fun and let's go reap the benefits of our hard work over the last few months.
100%, and what a way to really reward our employees if they do hit that goal. What a way to experience what life is like in another country and really pat yourself on the back. And that's what we're all about here at our company. We really want to reward hard work, but first and foremost, we want to instill into everyone that it is a ride or die situation. You know, we work, it's 100 or 0. You need to be at 100 every day, every hour. This isn't a 9 to 5. This is a, you know, you're coming with us on the journey. This is a 24/7 thing. If you work very hard and if you give it your all, you will be rewarded, such as this Mykonos trip, which wasn't cheap either. You know, you're looking at like 42,000 Australian dollars for 10 days. I mean, that's the type of capital that we're spending to reward our employees.
But yeah, guys, look, we're here now in the Porsche Cafe. I'm going to do some trading as well. I'll see if I can catch a trade. We'll see. I'm always relaxed. You probably can get my energy most of the time. It's chilled, guys. Like, yeah. That's how I am. Like, I'm able to go, but then I've done that much meditation over the years that I can just, you know, in any situation, just chill. He's
a very balanced guy. I'm just go.
Yeah, that's good.
But it's a great combination.
Yeah.
And I think that it's just exemplifying and emphasizing success upon the businesses. And you guys will see, you know, we're just getting started. We're going to be in the billions. That's our goal. That's what we want to be, and we know we can get there.
100% we will. Tickets for today. Let's start on gold. We still are continuing to see price pushing up to the upside. Now we've actually hit a high of $3,046, something that I've personally been calling for 6 months for price to hit 3K. Everyone else was saying that no, we're going to retrace, but the way I trade is against structure. So 3K was definitely the goal. We see that now. So looking at the markets, I'll jump down into the hourly time frame. We're seeing higher highs and higher lows. We have another push to the upside. Again, we're dealing with some really intense structure. Like, price is really creating small trading ranges. It's really a tricky place to be trading unless you know what you're doing, which is exactly what we can see. If we're trading, say, in a bullish range, we're actually going to look for a lower low. Even though price is so aggressively bullish, if we have a bullish range, we look for those sells short term, then we're going to buy back up. So guys, what we're looking for here on gold is if I go down to the 15 minute, remembering what I spoke about yesterday as well, when I spoke about price as it's making lower lows and lower highs is the only time we can buy. If we're going to sell, we need to see price tap into a demand or have a support level, which if we look at price now, we do have a support level across here. That support level could be interesting for us as we have a sort of 40 pip move just to take that support out. Again, that could be our trade. We could be, you know, sort of in and out for the day, support level taken, and we come out with a very nice trade, very nice profit. I was looking at gold, I marked it up, ended up catching a sell. Here we have a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade, and for transparency purposes, yes, I took this trade myself. You can see it's done $8,000 profit. And yes, I gave the trade to my signal room. We've all profited on this trade. It was a beautiful one, 2 times our risk achieved. We're looking now for more opportunities on the Euro and the GBP, and let's see what we can do for the rest of the day. But we're closing this off with having a 2.5x trade yesterday, the last trade of the day, GBP USD, and now of course a 2x on gold. That's a 4.5x return on your capital. So basically, if you're trading with a risk of $100 in the span of, I don't know, 16 hours, you've just made $450. That's the power of trading, and that's the power of the markets. If you do want to join this team, I actually give all my trades out for free. I'll let you trade with me for free, give you all my education. We have multiple mentors giving you educational value. We are the best group in the world. That is a fact. If you do want to join, it's the link's going to be in the description. Guys, let's get to work. We're here, we're real traders, we're proving that, and hey, we're living life as well. So let's get it, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching another video. You guys have met Seamus now. You can see that we mean business and we're serious about what we do, and we're excited to impact hundreds of thousands of dollars traders. Sorry, too much money. Too much money talk with trading, you know. Hundreds of thousands of traders' lives throughout 2025. This is our mission, and we're going to achieve it. And we are really just getting started now. So bring on the future.
Yeah, guys, look, can't wait to get started. Thanks for having me.
Of course.
This is just the beginning. You're going to see so much more from us. You're going to see so many more success stories, and we can't wait to really just bring you on that journey and let you be a part of the team as well. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.